So we're going to talk about a quick tip for you building owners that have restaurants in your buildings, and the restaurants are responsible for maintenance and upkeep of their equipment. You definitely need to have someone up looking at the roof to make sure that they're meeting their obligations, because in a lot of cases you're going to see some nasty stuff on roofs that are not being managed and they're not being maintained. And the reality of it is it's costing you money because it's destroying your roof system. So again, you need to pay close attention to who you have in your building, what type of an agreement you have with them, and then you need to have somebody taking a look every now and again, because unfortunately they're not always telling you what it really is that they're doing up there. So I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to talk a little bit about what you don't want to see on your roof. Okay, so I'm up on this R-panel roof. In pretty good condition. It's got a few issues. It's got some things that aren't secured that are sliding around and blowing around, causing damage. But the real purpose of this video is to show you some things that are just absolutely uncalled for, and they should be taken care of. So here is a building with a restaurant. This is a grease trap. This is a grease trap that's not being maintained. This is it's a vent that just had there is no grease trap. So you see that? All that is just pouring out and pretty nasty, right? It's all over the roof. It's nasty, gnarly. It should be maintained. There's no excuse for this. Then you have a satellite dish over here and these cinder blocks. So this is the improper way to set a satellite on a metal roof, but the cinder blocks, they're just spread out everywhere. They don't need to be sitting, they're abrasive. And when you, a Galvalume panel like this has a Galvalume finish over it's steel. It's bare metal underneath, and when you scrape the Galvalume, you allow the panels to rust. And I give you an example of some rust up here. You don't want to see rust on these panels, because once you've gotten rid of the Galvalume finish and you get rust, it doesn't take long for that to rust all the way through. Have somebody looking at your roof and making sure that your tenants are doing what they're supposed to be doing, because I guarantee you this building owner has no idea that this is going on their roof, and it really needs to be addressed because it's destroying the roof. So these are things you need to be looking for on your roof. Make sure that people are maintaining their equipment the right way.